Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you new material, or if you do machine embroidery you may know this material. This is Tearaway stabilizer for embroidery, but if you do embroidery you use this on the back side of your embroidery, but in quiet books I use this on the right side of the page, for example. This one I purchased on AliExpress. I will give you the link below this video. This one is 40 grams per square meter, and also you may find heavier and lighter. This is 100% cotton, not woven stabilizer. So it was made to stabilize the fabric while you are doing embroidery. After finishing, you just tear away this stabilizer. I use this material to print pattern or template on it, then I sew on it. So I sew through the stabilizer, then I remove it. Next I will show how you may use it in quiet books. Also there will be next video how to make May's quiet book page using this kind of stabilizer. You may print on this material, or you may draw anything you need, template or pattern or any lines on this material. Now I will show you how to use it. So to prepare the page out of stabilizer you need to iron it. On my printer I use A4, so this will be my template. Now you may use it as a paper and print on it anything you need. So I have printed something here already, and now I will show you how to use it in making quiet books. In one of my videos I showed how to make matching the shapes quiet book page, and I used templates of paper for the shapes, and I placed them on the page and used scotch tape to fix the shapes on the page. Now I have found easier way to do this kind of page, so I'm using prepared page. This is loop fabric or velcro fabric backed with fusible interfacing. This is Tearaway stabilizer, and now I will use triple stitch on my sewing machine to finish this page. Now I need to hide the thread ends. I'm using self-threading needle and tie the knots. And now I may remove the stabilizer. Same here. I placed the stabilizer with printed text on the loop fabric. Then I used triple stitch to embroider all these words and then removed the stabilizer. Same here. Same in this book. Numbers here and numbers here. Using the pyramid template on the Tearaway stabilizer, I made this page on the fabric and this page on the loop fabric. Same method.